Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today we're looking at MPLS core PE2, which is no different from the MPLS core PE1. Basically, they are all PEs and they will have something similar in common. So for example, they have the same VRF configuration. They have same interface schema but different description or configuration under it. So as I said, this interface is in our core MPLS, and this interface is for management traffic, and this interface is for the client, which is in a VRF, and we have our OSPF defined over here, which happens to also distribute labels through an MPLS core using the IGP, and we have our BGP configuration. I think I'll need to also update this, and I think I explained this well in my previous video. So let me just go ahead and update this configuration. So you'll run pipe section BGP, and as you can see, there's a need for us to make changes over here. Now, when you compare this to the configuration that we saw on Core P1, you realize something that for Core P1, we only had a simple line configuration. So the pairing was to 2.2, and for here, the pairing is for 2.2. Let me increase the font. So the pairing here is for 80.2 and 80.10. So you get to understand this when um, we are doing the event-driven Ansible. So for now, just see it as a normal configuration that you see over there. You'll get to understand how it really works. So you get to understand it better. So let me just clear this. So I'll just clear this, and I'll also clear this. So it's as simple as that for the configuration. As I said, for SNMP and then SSH configuration, we'll get there in the future videos. So this is fairly simple, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video.